Hello viewers, today we'll discuss the topic what are the duties of the agent. Duty to carry out the mandate. Every agent should perform the work for which he has been appointed to do. Duty to follow the instructions. It is duty of agent to follow all the lawful transactions of his principal. If the agent deviates from the instructions of the principal, then any loss arising from all will be compensated by the agent. Due to reasonable carefulness and proficiency, an agent should conduct the business of agency with a reasonable carefulness and proficiency. Duty to maintain and render the account, an agent should render the true account to the principal when demanded. Duty to communicate, an agent should communicate to the principal in the cases requiring principal instructions of instruction and directions. Duty not to deal personally, an agent must not deal in his own account in the course of agency without getting prior approval from the principal. Duty to pay the sum received, an agent is bound to pay all the sum received to the principal after deducting amount due to him in the course of business of agency. Duty in the case of the principal death or insanity when agency is terminated. By the principal death or the unsoundness, the agent is bound to take on behalf of a representatives of a late principal all the reasonable steps for the protection and the preservation of the interested to him. Duty not to use the critical information. An agent is bound to keep the information of principal secret not only during the course of agency but also after its termination. Duty not to make secret profit. An agent must not secure a secret profit from the agency without getting the prior consent from the principal. Duty not to delegate the authority. An agent is not entitled to delegate his authority to another person without the consent of the principal or unless under certain circumstances. Duties. Duty in selecting sub-agent and the substituted agent. An agent is bound to exercise the same amount of the discretion as a man of ordinary prudence would exercise in his own case while selecting a sub-agent or the substituted agent. Duty in the case of emergency. An agent has authority in emergency to do all such acts for the purpose of the protecting his principal from loss as would be done by a person of ordinary prudence in his own case under the similar circumstances. What are the rights of an agent? An agent has the following right against the principal right to receive the remuneration. The agent is entitled to his agreed remuneration if there is no agreement to a reasonable remuneration unless he agreed to act without it. If a transaction for which the agent claims remuneration is the direct or the indirect result of his services or efforts, he is entitled to the remuneration. Right of lien. Subject to contract to contrary, an agent has a lien on goods, papers, and other properties of a principal received by him until the amount due to himself for commission, disturbance, and services is in the respect of the same has been paid or accounted for to him. For example, Paris employs the usher to sell the 1000 books, 100 books. Usher sells 50 books, or Paris become insolvent. The official receiver of the Paris claims the remaining 50 books from the Hajjat. Hajjat can refuse to give the books until he receives his commission. Right of retainer. An agent has a right to retain his principal money in his hand for all money due to himself in the respect of remuneration as may be payable to him for the acting as agent, advances made or expenses properly incurred by him in conducting the business of agency. Right of indemnify for lawful acts. The agent has a right to be indemnified against the consequences of lawful acts done by him in exercise of the authority conferred upon him. Right of the compensation. The agent has a right to be compensated for injuries caused by neglect or want of a skill of a principal. Right of stoppage in transit. An agent has a right to stop the goods in transit to the principal, just like an unpaid seller if he has bought goods for his principal in by incurring personal liability for the price and the principal has become insolvent. Right of the stoppage in transit. Afaq buys goods for his principal Pervez with his own money. Afaq delivered the goods to carrier for transmission to Pervez. Afterwards, Afaq come to know that Pervez has become insolvent. Afaq can stop the goods in transit. Right of the compensation, for example, Paris employs Amjad as a mason for building a house. Paris puts up the scaffolding himself. The scaffolding was unskillfully put up as a that Amjad falls and gets injured. Paris must make the compensation to Amjad. Thank you so much.